Imagine you're standing in front of a cash register, ready to pay for your groceries. But instead of reaching for your wallet, you simply tap your phone on the payment terminal. That's the power of mobile payments. And today, we're diving into a question that many of you have been asking: does MobilePay work with Lunar? Think about it. If it does, you could leave your wallet at home, streamline your payments, and maybe even earn some rewards. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what MobilePay and Lunar are. MobilePay is Denmark's most popular mobile payment solution. It's a simple, secure way to pay for goods and services using your smartphone. Lunar, on the other hand, is a Danish digital bank. It offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, savings accounts, and loans. So, does MobilePay work with Lunar? The short answer is yes. You can easily link your Lunar account to MobilePay and start using it for your everyday transactions. How to link your Lunar account to MobilePay? To link your Lunar account to MobilePay, simply follow these steps. Open the MobilePay app on your smartphone. Go to the Settings menu. Select Linked Cards. Choose Add Card. Enter your Lunar card details. Once you've linked your accounts, you can start using MobilePay with your Lunar card. Benefits of using MobilePay with Lunar. Using MobilePay with Lunar offers several benefits, including convenience, no more fumbling for your wallet or searching for cash. Security, MobilePay uses advanced security measures to protect your payments. Rewards, depending on your Lunar account, you may be eligible for cashback or other rewards when you use MobilePay. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using MobilePay with Lunar. Check your balance regularly. Ensure you have enough funds in your Lunar account before making a payment. Use MobilePay for small purchases. While you can use MobilePay for larger purchases, it's often more convenient for smaller transactions. Keep your MobilePay app updated. Make sure you have the latest version of the MobilePay app installed on your smartphone. So, there you have it. MobilePay does indeed work with Lunar. By linking your accounts, you can enjoy the convenience, security, and potential rewards of mobile payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.